Imagine this. You're walking through your house, everything seems fine, and then bam, you spot it. Black mold. Creeping up your walls, ruining your space, and making you wonder, what do I do now? Well, don't worry, because I'm about to show you how to take care of it, once and for all. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to kick that mold to the curb and keep it from coming back. Ready? Before we get started, let's quickly talk about why black mold is such a big deal. Black mold is a sneaky little troublemaker that loves damp, humid environments. You'll usually find it in bathrooms, kitchens, or basements. And here's the thing. It's not just gross, it can cause serious health problems like allergies, asthma, and even headaches. So, spotting it early and knowing how to deal with it is super important. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to tackle that stubborn black mold. You'll need rubber gloves, a mask to protect from mold spores, white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, a scrubbing brush or sponge, a spray bottle, and a bucket of warm water. Don't worry, you probably already have most of these around the house, so let's get ready to make that mold disappear. Now it's time to take action. First things first. Safety is key. Grab your gloves and mask to protect yourself from inhaling any mold spores. And don't forget to open those windows. Ventilation is your friend. Now for the fun part. Grab your spray bottle and fill it with either white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide. These work wonders at killing mold without harsh chemicals. I personally love vinegar. It's natural and does the job every time. Spray the solution directly onto the moldy spots and let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. This will give the vinegar time to break down the mold. Pro tip: if you have a really stubborn area, sprinkle some baking soda over the vinegar. It'll create a fizzy reaction that helps lift the mold off the surface. The more thorough you are, the better the results. You want to make sure you get every corner. Once you've scrubbed the mold off, grab a clean cloth and wipe the area down. Then, rinse the surface with warm water to get rid of any leftover residue. But here's the most important step: dry the area completely. Look at that! No more mold! But we're not done yet. Let's make sure it doesn't come back. Now that the mold is gone, let's talk prevention. The secret to keeping mold at bay is all about controlling moisture. Use a dehumidifier in your bathroom or basement, and be sure to fix any leaks right away. Also, always ventilate your spaces after a shower or a hot meal. Taking care of these small things will make a huge difference in preventing mold from coming back. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you want more home tips like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Also, if you know anyone battling black mold in their home, share this video with them. It could save them a lot of stress and even their health. Subscribe for more tips and tricks on keeping your home fresh and clean.